So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about Retireable, which is our video sponsor and an awesome new company that is helping you retire. So you can sign up for Retireable with the link in the description and get a free consultation. They help make the retirement process super easy, and they actually pair you up with a retirement expert to walk you through the whole process. So now retiring is way easier than ever before. So use the link below and get a free consultation. And now let's get started with the video. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic, which is how to drive for Uber and Lyft at the same exact time. This is what we were just talking about. So you want to read this one?
Yeah. Can you drive for Uber and Lyft at the same time? Driving for rideshare apps is a great side hustle because you can easily make extra cash. Many people wonder if they can expand their options by driving for Uber and Lyft at the same time, but aren't sure if it's possible. Can you drive for Uber and Lyft at the same time? Yes, you can drive for Uber and Lyft at the same time. Drivers are independent contractors, so you're not legally bound to either company as an employee.
Yep. And also, we actually recommend that you drive for both apps, because if you're like me and you get deactivated by Uber, you can then just drive for Lyft.
Yeah.
And a lot of times it takes, you guys remember when you first signed up, it can take a week, 2, 3, 4 weeks to get approved initially. So if you get deactivated by one app, you can just turn on the next app and drive the next day. You don't have to wait, oh crap, now I got to go sign up for the other one. And you're waiting weeks. Now you got to go do DoorDash. You ain't making as much money. Just make sure you sign up for both. All right, continue.
Yeah. How much can you make driving for Uber and Lyft at the same time? How much you make with this side hustle depends on how much you work. If you work smart, you won't have high gas expenses, so you'll make more per ride. Running both apps minimizes the time you're waiting for a new... Can you scroll down? For a new passenger, so hourly income rises. So do Uber and Lyft pay the same? Since your pay depends on how many rides you give, your income can vary from week to week. When it comes down to each ride, Lyft actually pays more. I'm not surprised. Uber seems very money hungry. So they give, where was I? A study found Uber drivers can make an average of $19 per hour depending on the city and the demand. Lyft drivers make closer to $16 an hour.
So comment below, how much are you guys making per hour for each app? Do you find anyone are paying more than the other one? So here are the reasons why you should drive for both at the same time. For one, you don't have to wait as long in between rides. A lot of times when you're only doing one app, you finish the ride and then you got to wait for the next ride. Well, if you have both apps on, you're going to get, more requests. You're minimizing that wait time. So here we go. Check these out, guys.
Yeah, so you increase income.
We all like income. We all like money.
Yeah. Well, you have the chance to get more fares because you're using both the apps at the same time.
Yep. We all know as drivers, we love that ping. We love that ping sound. New ride request. Let's get that money.
Yeah. Then it also increases efficiency. You're already driving around, so if you're running both apps, you're constantly searching for available fares.
What's it called? And the ultimate life hack, guys, is drive for both Uber, Lyft, and you got Play Octopus set up in your car. This is how to make the most amount of money.
Yeah.
And you got to use the link in the description box. Sign up for these. Your passengers play freaking Pac-Man in the back seat, and you're making $100 extra a month. Don't
Yeah,
tell
you get
me.
this tablet 100% for free.
Yeah, it's honestly so fun having this in your car. Like, it literally makes your car like a freaking game show. Like, your passengers get in, they're like, "What am I on a game TV show?" It makes it like so much more fun. You're getting more tips.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just love Play Octopus. So yeah, this is what we're talking about. Downtime, waiting for rides. You don't get paid waiting for rides. You literally get $0 an hour. So it's like, if you can minimize that time, you can overall per hour make more money. By refreshing both apps, you're on the lookout for a new passenger as soon as one exits your car. And then the way you do this is, as soon as you get a ride request on one, and you know it's a good paying ride, you can even decline it if it's not as good, and you know your cancellation rate will be lower because you're kind of divvying up the cancels on each ride. Wait for a good high paying $30, $40, $50 ride, accept it, then go offline on the other one immediately. And then, you know, maybe your strategy is, okay, I'm only going to do rides over $50. Sign online with both apps, wait till you get a $50 ride. You know, you're just canceling all the other ones. Get that $50 ride, then go offline. And you're twice as likely to get a $50 ride if you're online with both apps.
Yeah.
You got to make sure you got a nice phone to run both of these apps. You cannot use a flip phone.
I mean, I don't think you can run any app with a flip phone.
You can with the slider phone, I think, right? Like a BlackBerry.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, and there is an app that helps you do both apps at the same time. It's called Mistro. So this one, I believe, will help you. Like, I mean, you don't need an app. You can literally just do it yourself. But some drivers use this and they love it. It basically, yeah, you gotta pay. You gotta pay $5 a week for this thing, though. I feel like you can just do it on your own.
Yeah, you don't need that extra app.
I mean, you're already paying for gas, you're already paying everything.
Wait, are there downsides
To using both apps?
Yeah.
No.
There was like a paragraph about it.
Oh, it's stressful. Guys, if you're driving Uber, you already know this is a stressful job. I think doing both apps, that's the least of your worries. But here, read this.
It can be stressful to monitor 2 apps at once. You need to keep your eyes on the road to drive, but you have to monitor the apps to make money. Be sure to pull over when you need to use your phone so you won't get tickets or have an accident. If you forget you're logged into both, you might accidentally miss fares, which affects your rating. Accepting a ride on one app without logging out of the other can also cause you to reject rides. Both companies might deactivate your account if you miss or reject too many rides.
You just gotta get on the habit of, as soon as you accept the ride, go offline on the other one. Like, just get in the habit of like, okay, accept it, make sure I'm offline on the other one. Like, it's gonna be like, and even if you are online and you accidentally get a ride, you know, you just decline it. Like, I don't, you know, you're just because you decline one ride doesn't mean you're gonna get deactivated.
Yeah.
I mean, they might put you offline, but I don't know. I mean, I haven't really heard of getting deactivated by canceling too many rides or not accepting too many rides. Like, when I drive for Lyft, I've declined like 5 rides in a row. Like, I don't know.
I mean, I've seen that happen to some people.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, just try not to do it too much.
Yeah.
All right,
I think you need to do it like a lot for it to make like a pretty big, like for it to affect you that much.
All right, let's look at the chat. Chat, what kind of phone do you guys use for Uber?
I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max.
You do?
Yeah, this is what it looks like.
What's on the back there?
Oh, this is the phone case.
That looks like the inside of the phone.
Yeah.
Wait, what the heck? Wait, hold up. Let me put you full screen.
That's the point of the case.
That's sick. Guys, look at Izzy's phone. With the phone like this, you can do Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Instacart, Amazon Flex, and Postmates all at the same time.
Yeah.
Let's pull up the chat, guys. Fox Tech says, in a few weeks, I'm going to Puerto Rico.
Oh, that's cool.
Dude, when you're in Puerto Rico, let us know if you take an Uber. Let us know how it is. Oh, wow, we have breaking news. Uber has stopped operations in Pakistan.
Oh.
Do you see that comment?
Yeah, I see that.
So Uber got deactivated in Pakistan.
That's crazy.
Joke's on Uber, they just got deactivated. Okay.
Yeah.
And again, big shout out to Retireable. Thank you so much for giving my audience, you guys, a really easy way to retire, simple and easy, and you can get a free consultation with a retirement expert with Retireable. So use my link below to sign up for Retireable. God bless. Talk to you soon.